Hello, you are welcome to ABC Creative Art TV. Please join me in this drawing exercise as we create evening memories in a rural setting using a B pencil on a piece of white paper. Please like the video by pressing the thumbs up hand sign below this video while playing it. Likewise, the share button nearby. Also, remember to drop a comment. These actions, when taken, will quicken YouTube to spread this channel and its videos to a wider audience. Do not also forget to subscribe to our channel, ABC Creative Art TV, for more engaging art tutorial on video every week. Thank you. After watching this drawing on video, please remember to get your own materials, a piece of paper and pencil, preferably a B pencil for the drawing. Put your hand to work and get it done. You can do it. I truly believe in you. Thank you. We are coming to the end of this drawing exercise, evening memories in a rural setting, using a B pencil on a piece of white paper. Please remember to like, comment, share share the video link with someone to watch, and also remember to subscribe to our channel ABC Creative Art TV for more exciting and educating art tutorial on video every week. From all of us at ABC Creative Art TV, we remain immensely grateful